Hi there. A very interesting ruling by the courts in Kenya. So I'm looking at this article from 2 days ago where a court in Kenya awarded an interviewee, a candidate who had been interviewed, 7 million shillings for whoever interviewed them forgetting to give them feedback or refusing to give them feedback. This is an interesting scenario, very interesting indeed. And the question I'm asking is, have potential employers out there ever ignored you? Okay? If they have, how did you feel? The court in Kenya 2 days ago declared that there is a candidate who had applied for a chief officer role. They went for vetting in the county assembly and then they were ignored. They never got any feedback. And the court ruled that that was actually unfair because you can't leave a candidate pending for that long. They have been left pending for over 1 year. This is a crazy precedent, which basically means that employers out there need to be giving people feedback upon interviewing them, upon vetting them. If not, they might just face such repercussions. Do you think this is a good judgment where the court ruled that if you interview a candidate, you vet a candidate, you need to give them feedback as opposed to ignoring them? I know out here, most potential employers ignore candidates. I know if you look for jobs out there, you've been ignored multiple times. You go for an interview, an employer ghosts you. You go for an interview, they don't say anything forever. Do you think this ruling by the court is solid? And if you're an end of employers out there, maybe you're working in the HR profession, you name it, what do you think this ruling means? Is it a good ruling for the business, or do you think it's a ruling which is going to create campuslessness in business? What do you all think? Comment down below, but I think this is a very solid and interesting precedent we're seeing being set by a court of law in Kenya. Cheers, guys.